What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dale Does It All. And you are all probably wondering, is this giant black building ungodly hot? It is now the 5th of July and it is hitting the temperatures in excess of 100 degrees every day for the last week or so. And I'd really love to take you guys around this building and show you what the outside temperatures of this building compared to the inside temperatures. So let's see, starting off with the door here. This door is currently 144 degrees. That is insane. I think we all knew that this black was gonna be hot, but 144 degrees, that's a 43 degree increase from the ambient temperature. So that's what this building is trying to put up with. All right, now let's try the metal panels. 133, wow. So 133, so the door, 140, I think it said 145 a second ago. In the shade, 120, and these metal panels, 132. Let's try the garage door. Same, about 133, 134. Let's try the window pane, 124. The actual window, 124. Just for giggles, what's this screw head? 129. So I will say that this door, all these windows, everything has been shut. It's about 1 o'clock this afternoon, so it's been heating up all day. It didn't get below 90 last night. So overall, even with the walls and the doors reaching temperatures of 135, 140, the ambient temperature in the garage is still 100 degrees. Now you're probably thinking, that is way hotter than I want my shop to be, but honestly, I think we talked about this before. Like, once this starts getting conditioned and there's conditioned air in here, that's really what's gonna cool this thing down. The goal is, one, I wanted it black, I wanted it aesthetically pleasing, and I love the way it looks on the outside, but I understood that I was going to have to go above and beyond for how I insulated this thing. So for the fact that the outside walls are between 145 degrees and 135 degrees, and the inside of this shop is still only 100 without any sort of air conditioning air, that's awesome. I'm super stoked about that. So I think the next step is, once everything is finished, throwing an air conditioner in here and actually seeing what we can get this building to. But that's gonna be on another day. So I hope this update was something good for you guys, so where you could actually see where we're at, how's this thing doing, and stick with me. There'll be more videos on finishing this building, installing electrical, AC in the near future. Until then, Dale Does It All. See you guys later.